Today we're off to Waterfall Park in Kunming, so let's go and check it out. So here we are at Pupu Gongyuan, which is Waterfall Park in Chinese. Pretty interesting. They're all pretend waterfalls, but still pretty cool. Let's go and have a look. So a lot of this is closed. Like if you look over here, there's a place you can usually walk through over that way, and you can walk underneath the waterfalls over here. But it's closed right now, so we'll have to revisit it sometime, but we'll show you what we can. Just getting us wet. We're getting wet. Do you think that the water's clean?
Oh, I think maybe just...
I think it's from straight from the toilet.
Oh my god, I think it's from...
It's actually quite a big place. Surprised. When I first came here I thought it was just a couple of waterfalls, but actually if you have a look around, there's like these, it's a huge man-made lakes, and I didn't even know this place existed, so yeah, pretty cool. Hopefully I can come here again and have a look. We can walk underneath the waterfall. That sounds awesome. So this is a popular traveling guy called Shishaku. Shishaku. And he was born in 1587 and died in 1641. He was a traveling guy. Oh my god, this is the ancient Chinese toilet. And it's closed. So this place is a lot bigger than I thought it was. I don't know if we're going to have a look at everything, but we'll definitely have a look around and yeah, let's go. So there's actually a lot of things around here. You can buy food and drinks, and over here there's some kids playing on random things, and a rubbish truck over there. And there's if you look over this way, there's people riding around on these cool little carts you can hire. Yeah, so it's a pretty huge place. I didn't even know about it until today. So yeah, let's have a bit more of a look, and then we're going to head off for shopping. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, but don't stop the video. Here comes the fun part, slow motion time.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known, and we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly.
Do you want secret videos? Do you want early access to my videos? Do you want to ask questions about China? Get access to all of this and more by going to the Patreon account link in the description. Thanks to all my patrons so far. Your contribution allows me to keep making awesome videos directly from China.